My name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, starting on with the particular topic of today, I will be discussing in about a similar topic as we have discussed in the previous video. It is a continuation of that same I'll say the same topics, the same logic which I have used up into the previous video, right? So I'll just suggest you one thing over there. If you haven't watched out my previous video, very quickly go ahead and watch out the previous video first of all, and then come back over here. So today's topic that I'll be taking up over here, or I'll be discussing in with you people, is the string slicing. Last time I discussed about the indexing, right? What is indexing? What are indexes, right? What type of errors occur if you have written the wrong index or some things like that, right? So into that respective case, I will be wanting, like I'll be continuing in the same for a particular manner for your I'll say the string slicing, right? So let's get started up here over that. But before I can very quickly give you a quick recap about the string, about this indexing thing once. Okay, great. Yeah, so here we are having that whenever you want to access the characters in any Python strings, positive or negative, like positive would be 0, negative will start from -1, positive goes from left to right or up to down, negative goes from right to left or down to up, right? Whenever there is some issues with the indexing or something, two types of errors occur over there. The first one is your index error and the second one is your type error, right? So the index error is like if you have given up a range of the indexes from 0 up till 5 and you're writing up a number for the index which is 7. So it will give you index error. It means that it is this particular number is not there, or it is not present into your range. Type error is the second one. So in that particular case you have up a integer, you can just mention only integer numbers in that particular one. If you have mentioned up an index number as a decimal, as a complex number or something, you will get an error which is a sort of a type error, right? That we have discussed it. Now if we're talking over further with you about the rest of the things, as in my str or print, something like that, right? So string slicing, what happens many a times, we are having up a long sentence with us, as in let's say I'm having a sentence, I am learning Python programming. Okay, now I just want to extract some small things from the sentence, as in I want to extract, let's say somewhere Python, somewhere programming, right? This is what I want to extract from a long sentence. So whenever you want a substring from any particular string, that goes as your string slicing, right? So again I'll say, whenever you are extracting up a substring from a string, that is your string slicing, right? Now if I try to further talk in what are the things which we have in the string slicing, so it starts again, the main thing which is the indexing. Okay, and there's a syntax for this that I'll share with you. I'll just write this over here, the syntax, 1 second. Yeah, start colon end, that's the syntax which you're having. That is, you need to mention up the starting index and the ending index. Let's say my starting index is 2 and ending index is 7, right? This is how you have to do. So 2 from 7. Now this starting index which you have mentioned, that is 2. That's quite okay. That's very fine. It will start from the index which is second. But the index which you have mentioned at the last, which is 7, it will not go up till 7. It will go only and only up till 6. That is, it will follow up a rule, n minus 1. So if I write in over here like 7 minus 1, it will result me to 6, right? So it will go in from 2 to 6, not up till 7. And this is similar for everywhere in the string slicing. Okay, you'll find the same thing in the string slicing everywhere. Hope I'm clear with that. Next one important thing which we have in up over here, that spaces also have a spaces also have a index. So the spaces which we are having up between the sentences, between the words, between the characters, those also have up an index for you, right? And I'll just show an example, then it might be much more clear. Demo underscore str, let's say that's my variable, right? And let's say I wrote I am learning Python, right? I am learning Python, right? That's what I have to just do in over here. That is demo underscore str, I am learning Python, right? Now I need to extract this learning part from here, let's say. Okay, what I'll do, I'll write print statement. Print statement as in demo underscore str, right? My variable into which my exact string is brackets. Now I need to mention the index number, so I'll just try to calculate the index. 0. Now this space will have the index which is 1. I will be having the 0th index, right? Now space will be having up the first. A2, M3, space 4, L5. So it starts from 5th index, right? So 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'll write up over here as 1 exceeded, that is 13, because it will go up till n minus 1, that is my 12. So from 5 up till 12. And now if I just try to run up over here this very quickly, see what I got? I got in here the result as learning, right? So 5 it starts at L, and for 13, as I told you, 13 will not be taken, the 12 will be considered. So here I got up till 12. That's how. Now I'll just try with one or two more demo for the same. Print, let's say again I'll write demo underscore str, that same variable, brackets. Now let's do it for Python. We know that this G is 12, space is 13. So P will be my 14, colon. Now if you are writing it for a word which is the last word, let's say I want to extract this Python. Now Python is the last word for me, right? So what I'll do, I'll just simply write the starting index. For ending I will not write because it will automatically take up till the last character. So if I just run this over here, see it automatically took complete Python for me, right? So it means that I told you now that it will automatically take the complete last string of my last character. So I am learning, and then we'll go in your Python. Fine. That is what is to be done up over here. 5 up till 13, and for printing the Python word only, it's 14 up till the last word, last length of my complete string. And if you want your complete string to be printed, so in that case what you can do, you can just write print demo underscore str, brackets and simple colon you can put down, right? And just after that it will automatically take up your complete string. And if I run this up over here, so see it automatically took I am learning Python, right? So that's how these things have to be done. That's how your string slicing works up over here, and that is how you can extract in some words from the strings, right? I hope I made this pretty much clear to you about the same, and please try to grasp up this concept very clearly, because it will be used everywhere further, sometimes in your stack, sometimes in your queues, sometimes into your arrays. It will be used in, right? So make sure you are taking this very clearly. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you there in the next video.